Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crochet a table runner. For this project, I am using a 4mm crochet hook and this 4-ply yarn. This is a silk yarn. You can use cotton yarn as well. First of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we would start making chains. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9 and then chain 10. In this way we would make total of 49 chains. You can make 37 if you want less width of your table runner. I have made 49. Now we would skip 2, 3, 4, 5 chains and then into the 6th chain we would start working. So wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the 6th chain and then draw a loop. Pull the yarn through 2 loops first and then through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Now in the same chain we would make a double crochet again, then into the same chain make third double crochet stitch. Now we would skip 2 chains and we would work into the third chain. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 into the same chain. Skip 2 chains again, go into the third chain, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 into the same chain. After set of 3 double crochet, skip 2 chains, into the next chain we would make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 and we would make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 and then into the same chain we would make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 because this is a granny zigzag pattern. Now skip 2 chains, go into the third chain and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3, skip 2 chains again, go into the third chain, make another set of 3 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3. Again skip 2 chains and make another set of 3 double crochet stitches, which is the third one, and make 3 double crochet stitches. Now we would skip 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 chains and we would start working into the 6th one. Into the 6th one we would make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3. This is the lower part of zigzag pattern. Now skip 2 chains again and we would make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 into the third chain. Skip 2 chains again, go into the next chain, make double crochet 1, then double crochet 2 and double crochet 3, again skip 2 chains and make third set of 3 double crochet stitches here after the bottom part of zigzag pattern. Now make 3 chains and into the same chain we would make 3 double crochet stitches again to make the upper part of zigzag pattern. Now skip 2 chains, into the third chain we would make 3 double crochet stitches. Again we would skip 2 chains, into the third chain we would make 3 double crochet stitches. And again we would skip 2 chains, into the third one we would make 3 double crochet stitches. And then in this last chain make 1 double crochet, and this is our first row. This is how it looks like, a zigzag pattern. Now to start the second row, make 3 chains, turn up the row, and we would work in this space between set of 3 double crochet stitches. So in this space make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. Now work between other 2 sets of 3 double crochet stitches and make 3 double crochet. Now work in the next space, make 3 double crochet stitches in it. Then we have chain 3 space right here for our zigzag pattern. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3, chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3 into the same chain 3 space. Then we would work in the next space between set of 3 double crochet stitches, and we would make 3 double crochet stitches into it. Now work in next space 3 double crochet stitches. Then work in this next space, and now after these 3 set of double crochet stitches we would skip this space between these two for the lower corner, and we would work in the next 2 set of 3 double crochet stitches in between space. In this way we would work till the end. For the corner chain 3 we would make 3 double crochet, 3 chain 3 double crochet till the end. Repeat the same process. Now in the chain before first double crochet stitch we would make a double crochet. Second row is also completed. Now for the whole table runner, same second row pattern would be repeated, and we would proceed 30 rounds with this color, and then after completing 30 rounds we would change the color, and I will show you how to change this color right from this row. At the end we would make unfinished double crochet into this chain, and then we would finish it with change color right here, you can see. So this is how we would change color, and then we would start the next row by making chain 3. So now we would make 30 rows with this white color yarn, and then 30 rows with chocolate color yarn. So here I am completed with my rows. I have made single crochet on chocolate color with white color, and we would make single crochet on white color part with chocolate color. On these sides for the corners, chain or double crochet, I have made 3 double crochet stitches, and on the chain 3 space of corners I have made 5 double crochet stitches. And now I would show you how to crochet these single crochet stitches on the other side as well. So here is another color. First of all, the last single crochet with this color would be completed with this chocolate color. Now we would pull this chocolate yarn through this last single crochet stitch of this white color. Now cut the white color yarn strand, make a knot of these 2 yarn strands, and start working single crochets on white side. On the side chain 3 of white color row, make single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2. Then on the side double crochet stitch of the next row, make single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2. Then on the side of next row, make 2 single crochet stitches. So in this way we would complete these single crochet stitches till the end. And now I will show you how to crochet single crochet on these corners. So in this corner right here, we will make single crochet 1, single crochet 2, and then single crochet 3, because this is our corner stitch, and in corners we would make 3 single crochet stitches. Now into the next chain where we have made 3 single crochet double crochet stitches, make 1 single crochet, then in chain 2 space make 2 single crochet stitches. Into the next chain make single crochet, in the next chain 2 spaces make 2 single crochet stitches, then a single crochet into the next chain where we have made 3 double crochet stitches in the starting, then make 2 single crochets, and in this chain make 1 single crochet in which we have made 2 sets of 3 double crochet stitches, and then 2 single crochet in each of chain 2 space and 1 single crochet in each chain where we have made stitches in starting of this project. Now in the next chain 2 space make 2 single crochet stitches, Then in the last, make 2 chains, sorry, 3 single crochet stitches, 4th, 5th one, 6th one, and then 7. This is our chain 5 space for the corner. We would make 7 single crochet stitches in this chain 5 space. Then we would make a single crochet in the next chain, then 2 single crochet stitches into the next 2 chains as well. In this way we would complete our single crochet stitches till the end. And at this corner in 3rd chain we would make 3 single crochet stitches, and we would complete till the end of other side making single crochet stitches. Now I have made 3 single crochet stitches at this corner chain as well. Now pull this yarn, cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. With the help of tapestry needle, we would weave this yarn end. First of all, pull the needle through 2 loops of first single crochet stitch of this side, and then pull it through back loop of this last single crochet stitch to make a perfect fine chain loop ending. And now we would end by pulling this yarn through some stitches at the back side. Make a knot like this way. By making a knot in this way, our work would be secured and stitches would not get loose. So before weaving the yarn end through some stitches of back side, always make a knot first. Cut the extra yarn strand and our table runner is ready, which is very simple and easy to make. Just one row repeat pattern. Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos. Thank you for watching.